Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term starfish. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, starfish is a slang term describing someone who spreads out in bed and occupies a lot of space. People use it when talking about sleeping positions. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different, depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Starfish first showed up in the early 2000s to describe sprawling sleeping positions. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among roommates and couples. Now let's check out how to use starfish in a sentence. Correct example 1. My roommate is such a starfish at night, taking up half the bed without even realizing it. Correct example 2. I couldn't sleep because my partner was starfishing across the mattress. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said starfish at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using starfish right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Starfish means a slang term describing someone who spreads out in bed and occupies a lot of space. It started in the early 2000s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with starfish in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.